All right, this is the pit bike exactly as how I got it. There's a lot of pieces missing. A lot of things aren't going so well. The seat isn't even attached. The plastics are faded. The forks need to be redone. The rims and tires, they do look really nice. They do hold air really good. It's 80cc automatic. Currently no brakes at all whatsoever. I need to put some brakes on, redo the exhaust, or at least clean it up because it looks all rusty. Most likely gonna repaint the frame, change out these hard grips for something else. That's all that I'm gonna do. I have to put an air filter in, but for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change out the shift lever for an aftermarket one. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all the plastics and put some new ones on because these are faded and about to fall off. I don't have another seat, but I can't reuse this one because all the holes for like the gas tank, all the plastics and all, the holes for the plastics are like all messed up. And yeah, I can't reuse this seat. I could probably reuse the skin for it, but that's it. I'm also going to paint the letters white because I think it would look cool. I have a parts bike and hopefully those parts will fit on this because I would have to buy new caliper lines for the disc brakes up in front. I do have a drum brake up front that I could use. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. Plastics are really easy to take off. It's just 4 bolts, 2 right here on the gas tank to hold in the front ones. And there's 2 right here for the rear. But since I don't have, since it's like broken, I didn't have to take it off. But I will have to soon, and they look pretty stripped. So I don't know how I'm gonna take that off, but plastics are now off, ready for new ones. I'm just gonna check the electrical. CDI box looks pretty good. This looks like, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's for the thingy, coil. Yeah, so that's how you take off plastics. Next, I'm gonna change this shifter out for an aftermarket one. All right, so there's the aftermarket shifter. Nothing too different, but to me, I just like the metal look, and it's better than this little cheap plastic thing. So I think it's a 8mm, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put that on and it should just bolt right up. Okay, so the 2 shifters, the shifter won't go on because if we look at these 2, the top part on here is a little bit taller than this one, and it's gonna be hitting right over here, right over there, right there. So I guess I'm gonna have to use the old shifter, this one, but change out the bolt for this one. It's bad, but you know, it's a little bit better than the other one, at least. All right, I'll put this thing back on, and yeah, that'll be it. All right, so I got it back on. If I really wanted to use this one, I would probably have to change the stator cover, this thing, to aftermarket one, which most likely I'm gonna do because I don't like how this looks. maybe like a carbon fiber one, or I don't know. What's next though is I'm probably, oh yeah. So what's next is I'm gonna do the lettering on the thing, on the wheels, because, you know, it'll look cool. So I'll let you know when that's done. Some tires. I think it looks a little nicer. You know, it's not perfect, but it'll do for now. So yeah, now I'm gonna work on the exhaust. Take it off. It's just one bolt up here and two down here, right there. Those are, I believe, 10 mils. So yeah, I'll take the exhaust off and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I found a really big problem in taking off the exhaust. I don't know if you can see, but it's cracked. It's cracked. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to get a new head or what, but that really sucks. If I could find the chunk that fell off, that'd be cool. But it was just one bolt because the stud was missing on the other one. So yeah, all I gotta do is take that off, and the exhaust should fall right off. All right, now the exhaust is off. Now I can show you guys a better look at what's going on. If I can get a screwdriver, hold on. I just don't have time now. So basically, all of this is not supposed to be gone. There's supposed to be another stud like that, but it's not there, and a big chunk fell out. I'm still looking for it, can't find it. But in the meantime, I'll just clean up the exhaust and then see how much a new cylinder head is. Or valve train? I don't know what that is. Or I don't know what to call it. I mean, I guess cylinder head. So that kind of threw a wrench in things, but no biggie. I got this bike and another bike for $200 for both of them, which is a really good deal if you ask me. And if anything, I could use this bike as parts for my XR50, which is way better than this. But, you know, I want to get this thing running so I could just at least ride around town or something. I mean, man, I don't know what to do about it, but yeah, I'll just clean up the exhaust and then go from there. Off the exhaust, this little piece right here. I mean, that's not really that little, but man. So I'm gonna have to get a new head most likely. So cleaning up the exhaust. I guess now is as good a time as any to take off these forks. The drum brake forks. Those are the other ones. I changed the bars to the ones that were on there before. I took off the grips because I have pro tapers coming in. The exhaust is still messed up. Not much I could do about that. I could probably JB weld it, but I would rather just get a whole new head, cylinder head. Yeah, so maybe I'll start it up. Who knows? And yeah, I'm gonna just wash it off real quick, and then I'll get back to it. From the Discord. My plastics came in. Just put those on. Looking way better now. I got pro tapers about to come on. I just gotta do a little bit more adjusting, and then it's all good. I still have to put my number plate on. I still have to put this on, but I don't know how I'm gonna mount it because there's supposed to be like a little hole right here, but mine doesn't have it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just do like a little rubber band or something and just put it right there. But yeah, so that's it so far. I'll take some shots once it's done for today.